Welcome, and it is the continuation of our lab. I will post that link in the comment box. Scenario: you are working in a Kubernetes cluster used by the beta team. The namespace beta is already exist. So beta is already exist. A pod named frontend is running in the beta namespace. Pod frontend is also running on the control plane node. A text file of beta image txt list 6 container image 1 per line. Aquasec Travi is already installed and node available in the path, and the armor profile named secure nginx is already loaded in the node. And now we have to solve. So this we have already solved, and we have selected that Alpine image is there with us. Alpine 3 tag 3.18 we have chosen. Now we'll have to solve this problem. So in beta namespace, create a deployment named web beta web using this image selected in step 1. So step 1 we have selected Alpine colon tag is 3.18. So we'll use this, and the deployment must have these scenarios, and secure deployment by enforcing the AppArmor profile. Okay, secure nginx on the web container. So this is not there in the fresh environment, and because we are doing it all fresh, so beta namespace and not there. So Travi is not there, beta namespace is not there, so we won't require Travi now, but we require this AppArmor profile. So what is AppArmor? So it's a security profile already installed on a Kubernetes node. It tells kernel what the container is allowed or not allowed to do. Means like a file, system calls, etc. So you need to create it some by default available. So in this case we need to create a secure nginx. So let's check whether AppArmor is present or not. So sudo status. So AppArmor module is loaded. This shows that the AppArmor is active. Create a new profile which is secure nginx. So I'll press Ctrl L and then vi/etc. let's say sudo vi/etc appmor.d secure nginx. So profile secure nginx flags attach disconnected file network and capability, and we can close. So it is not very complex thing. AppArmor profile is a text file that tells what is the program is allowed to do. So there are few things that the command line which we have not included, that the profile header like this profile secure nginx and disconnected, and this line tell us that the name of the AppArmor profile is secure nginx, and the Kubernetes will refer using the same. And flag equal to attach disconnected means extra option for the AppArmor, means this disconnected means the program can access file even if AppArmor cannot see the full path. So this inside this bracket you can write what is allowed to do. So here file network capability means allowed read write execute, network is a send and receive, and capabilities is like a very open permission, not safe in the production, but we are demonstrating it, so we'll use this. So this profile is simply allowing nginx to do everything. That's it. So WQ in examination, this profile would be already with you, so no need to generate it by your own. So then after we need to load the profile to the kernel. So sudo appmor parser this command is there. So if no error, the profile is active. So verify that profile is active or not. So sudo a status and then grep and secure nginx. So you will see a secure nginx. So profile is ready. Now we need to create first we'll check the means kgate ns. So you will find that beta namespace is not there because we are starting fresh. So create ns beta. So beta namespace is created. So now we head to the deployment. So for the deployment, just go to the deployment section. So here Control F. If you are so in examination, don't use scroll, just control F the things, so you will get the better result and you will save your time. So I'll copy this file and I'll paste it here, VI.ml. So I'll paste it here and need to edit the changes, means whatever we require according to this. So here namespace is not there, so first include the namespace. In examination always, because from 24 onwards there is always a namespace, so please create it on the first place so that you won't forget. Beta namespace is there. Now we'll delete one by one, we'll go. So name is beta web, label is not given, so you can choose your own, but consistency should be there. So wherever the label is, I'm writing that beta web. The select replica is 2. Now specifications, so here image name we have already chosen, that Alpine. So container name is web and the image is Alpine 3.18. Now we need to give this secure, means secure deployment by enforcing AppArmor. So we need to introduce annotations. So in the template section, we'll introduce annotations. So go here and search AppArmor. So restrict, now here control app and annotation. So here you will see these annotations are there. So AppArmor security.io, copy this, paste it here, and here we are using web, then localhost / secure engine. So all things are great. We have done wq will cat. I'm reducing this little, so it's feel good to me because this is web, means all things we have considered. Now we have to apply it. So k apply -f, the name of file is dpl.yaml. So here the warning is there. So this is deprecated, so you can do it k delete -n beta deployment beta web. So we'll modify this file vidpl. So it is also okay, but now in the security context we will provide that app mode. So like this need to paste there. So I'll copy this whole thing and I'm pasting below the image. So whenever we paste, our indentation got changed, so keep it in mind. Indentation should match, and we profile type, we need to write it's a local host. So local host and then localhost profile is a secure nginx. So wq, so let's apply once again. So let's see what we are doing wrong. It is showing that these properties we have not corrected. So vidpl.yaml, so where we are getting wrong, sorry, this is inside, indentation is wrong. Let's check whether we got correct. So deployment app beta web is created. So kget pods -n beta. So this is there, but it is showing container creating error. Kget pods -n beta. So let's describe describe pod. So here it is saying that AppArmor profile is not there. SSH node 01. So profile must exist on this node also. So we have not created. So just create that AppArmor profile. We'll create this AppArmor profile. Same thing. We need to do whatever we have done for the pod is deleted and created. Now kget pod -n beta. So this is expected behavior because we have not passed any command. So I can do one thing to show it more. So I can edit deployment or .yaml. Here I'll write a little command. So these pods are running. So now so what we can check, we can kget deployment. So this is running. We can check pods are running. So we already checked. So profile is applied. So we can k-n beta namespace get pod, label is app equal to beta -web -oyaml and grep -i appmo. So here I can grep -i appmo. So appmo profile. So I'll take after pi or after 6. So appmo profile is there. So next, yes, I actually am not earlier have prepared this scenario, so it is taking a little time. Next time I'll cluster IP and this networking will discuss tomorrow. So timing, this is already posted and I will comment. Yesterday I forgot, but this way we can proceed for tomorrow. We'll complete this two section and then we'll do some more. And there is lot of demo for CKD, CKS will be there soon. Thank you so much for your love and support. Yes, exams questions will be similar like this, or but means they changes, they are frequently, now they are frequently changing the exam question. So better to be prepared and not dependent on the question dumps. Thank you so much for your love and support.